Oh, this is just for the cooler.
Yeah, and keeps the batteries charged. Goes down, there's jump leads under the hood, and yeah, I just have it hooked up.
I got a small channel.
We were in traffic.
Yes, yes. You know. I got the load from Northwood, Bellingham. It's a 1 hour and a half run. I just I saw this guy with a nice setup. Probably I'm gonna do something like that because I need a freezer in my truck. I have something is wrong with my APU. But anyways, you can move. Clear. Bellingham has a small yard, and sometimes it could be challenging to do a backup in this yard. So I'm gonna try my best to make it as easier as possible. Almost summer here. Almost summer in Massachusetts. I don't like to drive in the small roads like this because you have a car coming from the other side. I don't like it. Especially when the guy coming from the other way is a truck driver. No, not him. Tell me how you like it, my new sound system and my new camera. I'm trying to update and bring to you. Ready to drop on 123. I don't like to do maneuvers with my windows up. Always, if I can, I roll my windows down and put my elbows like this. Let me set up 123. I stay here, turn all to the right. They have a barrier here. Let me do different. I'm gonna do a half lap. Okay, good. So I'm gonna go drop on 123 to show you. This is my setup. I set up like this, and I'm this close. Slowly, I'm turning the left. I don't mind to make few mistakes when we got into dropping loads. I don't mind to make a few mistakes. If I don't do, I can probably in the yard when I'm trying to back up. I'm trying to do as fast I can, but I try to do safely. But I don't mind to back up and not get it in the first try. That's why I always set up to do it on the second try. I can do it. You see, right now in the first try, let me go pull forward, turn right, now left. Now I'm straight back up. Backing up straight, going very slow. I'm trying to not go fast and bang on the door, on the gate. I just touched the gate a little bit. Bam. Yeah. Even the yard marshal told me the 127 gonna be ready on 15 minutes. Let me see if it's a green light on 127. Yep, it is green. We should never hook up if it's not a green light. No, that's always. We gotta pay extra attention. One day I did hook up on the green on the red light. I wasn't paying attention. Instead of look to my left side, I looked to my right mirror. So I saw green, but for example, this the my left side is 127 and my right side is 128. So I saw red on 128 and I thought it was 127. I hook up and I not even hook up. I just touched the trailer. I had to stop and everybody and the managers came and they came talk to me. They sent us an email that we need a coach. Yeah, need a coach, a driver. Usually, what they do, I think sometimes they give you the first time they let it go. They send you to a coaching email, but most of the case, Amazon don't want they don't want that driver to work for them anymore. Usually, when I hook up, I come front to back. Everything is attached. Everything looks good. Even I know that everything is perfectly connected on the trailer. I move very slow coming from the door because just in case the trailer fall, is not going to the floor. It stays. I still can catch it with my truck. Okay, I cannot do this right turn. It's too tight. Let me go back. Instead of take this right, let me take the left turn and make a U-turn here. Let's see, we got a space to do a U-turn. I wanna jackknife. Good. Everything looks good. the point of contact. Let me close the door. That's it for today. I want to make a quick video and record how to do a maneuver in this yacht on Bellingham yacht. Is a small we ready. Take the empty trailer. And you don't need a seal for an empty trailer. That's it for today.